Tom, when the fire alarm system went off last week, our office didn't even hear it. I'm concerned about that. I'd like that addressed immediately.
Thanks for letting me know about that.
Tom, hi. I wanted you to know the exit signs in our office have been burned out for about 6 months now. Can you do something about it, please?
Thanks. That will be taken care of by close of business.
Thank you.
It's next to impossible to keep up with all of the various safety equipment and systems in this building. What if an emergency happens and something doesn't work? I'm trusting that everything is inspected and working perfectly, but the documentation I get after an inspection doesn't really tell me anything. What assurance do I have that all this stuff is going to work when there's an emergency? What if someone gets hurt?
Building Report's innovative web-based solution guarantees timely device inspection and maintenance that are fully documented in accordance with regulatory standards. Inspection results are edited online and reviewed for certification. It is intelligent compliance designed by industry experts that produces accurate, verifiable results you can trust.
This report is really confusing. It's hard to know what they've inspected.
You know, they inspected this building over 2 weeks ago, and I'm just finding out today that there are at least 3 smoke detectors that aren't working, and an exit sign somewhere is burned out. And I don't see a thing in here about what we're supposed to do to get these things fixed. What am I paying for? And then they ran out like they were going to inspect something. You know, I was going to fire them right on the spot, but how can I be sure the replacement would be any better?
Several months ago, I knew we needed to make a dramatic change when we had a vendor who was responsible for inspecting over 1,000 fire protection devices in my 30-story building. The front desk security log indicated that the inspector had signed in at 10 a.m. and signed out at 2 p.m., yet his inspection report said he was in the building all day. It was more like 4 hours. But even if you were to figure 1 minute per device to locate, find, and do whatever it is they're supposed to do for each device, it would take at least 2 days to inspect 1,000 devices at a minimum. This was going on for at least 2 years at a cost of thousands of dollars. The reports I were getting were terrible, and I had no assurances that the devices were ever getting checked.
So what did you do?
I found out about Building Reports. They have members worldwide who provide third-party web-based inspection reporting. Now I get the information I need whenever I want it, and I can trust the inspection team to do their job. Each device in my building has its own unique barcode provided by Building Reports and assigned to my building. The inspector is required to scan the barcode to prove he was at each device. Nothing gets missed. I get a time-stamped record of when work was done and a lot better information from my reports.
Building Report's web-based solution guarantees timely device inspection with superior reporting, smart compliance, trusted inspections. Property managers receive very little information in their inspection reports, and these reports are often difficult to read and understand. Most property managers are unaware of how many devices they have in their building, who manufactured them, or when they were installed. Building Report's barcode-based data gathering system combines all of the pertinent information needed in an easy-to-use reporting format. Building owners and managers get complete information for each device. Device type, manufacturer, model number, location, installation date, test and inspection results for each device. Building Report's web-based inspection reporting system provides automatic searches for devices under product recall and links to building codes and standards from the National Fire Protection Association, Underwriters Laboratories, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, and National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health to ensure a code-compliant inspection. Building Reports provides uniform and consistent web-based inspection reporting across the broad spectrum of fire, security, and safety systems installed in today's commercial buildings to ensure that building owners are always up to date with required inspections. Building owners and property managers need to know that the contractors they hire to perform inspections in their buildings are licensed, certified, and have the resources, training, and the necessary credentials needed to provide the protection from liability they seek from an inspection report. They also need to know that the work is actually done. Building Reports provides uniform and consistent web-based inspection reporting across the broad spectrum of fire, security, and safety systems installed in today's commercial buildings to ensure that building owners are always up to date with required inspections. Building Reports provides third-party verification of member licenses, certifications, and insurance to building owners and property managers in real time with each report to ensure that all members possess the required credentials, qualifications, and resources, not just at the time they are hired, but any time they perform an inspection in your building. Our barcode-based system ensures that every device is inspected and the time and date for each device is recorded internally so that the inspector cannot modify or alter the report. Building Reports guarantees your information is secure and provides an online review of your compliance, unlike any paper reporting. Building Reports web-based inspection reporting. Building Reports is your trusted partner.